and welcome to WordPress.com. This video will show you how to change your site's fonts. Fonts are the look and style of the text on your site. To make changes to the default font set in your theme, launch the customizer. Click on Fonts to open the settings. Click the font name to see a list of available fonts. Fonts are set in pairs, one for headings and the other for the base font. Heading text includes post and page titles, widget titles, comment headers, and headlines inside posts and pages. Your base font is used for your main body text. Each time you change a font, the live preview refreshes so you can see how that font will look. To adjust the style of your heading fonts, click the option below to the left of the font. The available styles will vary depending on the font you've chosen. To adjust the size of your fonts, click the size option below to the right for each selected font and select the size from the drop-down menu. Once you're satisfied with your font selection, click the Save button. To reset your font to the theme's defaults, click on the X next to your current font. For more tips and tricks on customizing your site, visit the WordPress.com support site.